Hello everyone. We have discussed exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 sets of class 11th mathematics NCERT. Now we will cover exercise 1.2 here. So let's start here. Which of the following are example of null set? Okay, here first part of the question, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Okay, if we divide odd natural numbers, we cannot divide 1 3 5 by 2. So this is a null set. Now set of even prime number, here 2 is only even prime number, so there is one element available in that set, so we cannot say this is a null set, because null set which has no element, okay, which has no element, so this is not set. Here we will not use this. Now here x such that x is a natural number, so we can take this as well. Now x such that x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7, less than 5 and greater than 7. So there are many numbers, so we can say here x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. And these are the take a time, that is like a complement. So if we try to put according this x greater than 7, so we should put x less than 5. So simultaneously we cannot write any number, any entries in this set. So this is also a null set. Why are you getting about this? If you want to write with the help of one condition, then you can write you can take numbers less than 5, so that will not be null set. If you take x greater than 7, that will not be null set. But if you take both, here given both condition, then it will be null set, because you cannot take any number. If you write with the help of this condition, then this condition will break the rule. Now y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Clear? Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. If you make any parallel line, then you cannot suppose that here this is a line, again we make this is a line, this is the parallel line, okay. If this is the parallel line, there is any point which will be common. Parallel line, that means distance between two lines will always be same, that will be perpendicular, so these lines cannot meet in lifetime, endless, will never meet each other. So here y is a point common to any two parallel lines, so we cannot get any point which will be common by the definition of parallel lines. So we can say that this is also a null set. Clear? So this is also a null set. This is also null set. Here set of even prime single set. So this is not. We have completed this question. Now move on next part of the question. Next question. Okay. Now here, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Now in this whole question, whole solution, we will use symbol, check symbol, green symbol for finite only, and remaining will be infinite. Okay. So the set of month of year, yes, we can limitize because there are fixed number of months, Jan, Feb, March, April, up to December. So this is the finite. Now come at 1, 2, 3, and here and so on, which is the symbol of infinite, that we cannot limitize this. So and so on. This is infinite set. Now here limitize with 100, from start from 1 up to 100. Here up to is used. So this is a finite set. Here the set of positive integers greater than 100. Here this is not finite because greater than 100, so we can take many numbers which will be greater. We cannot fix. We cannot say that will be 1000 up to 1000. No, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 million, 1 billion. There are many numbers available, and we cannot fix. So if there any condition we cannot fix, we cannot limitize, that will be defined as finite, and that will be defined as infinite because we cannot limitize. So this is infinite. Now set of prime number less than 99. Here less than 99. So we are fixing. Take only those numbers which less than 99. So this is finite set. Clear? Now 2 and 4th are infinite set. Clear? If we take symbol for this, so this will be infinite, this will be infinite. Clear? Now move on next question. Now state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. We will use symbol finite for check and heart for infinite. Okay. The first question, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. First we should try to understand about this. We should make a here. This is a axis and this is a x-axis, and we will make a line for this which is parallel to x-axis. How many lines can you draw which is parallel to the x-axis? Infinite lines we can draw. We can draw infinite lines. Okay. So what clarity comes from this point? Okay, there are many lines which is parallel to x-axis. So can you say this is finite or infinite? So this is a first question is related from finite or infinite. This is infinite because we can draw more lines. Now the set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters in the English alphabet, that means limitize the concept because it starts from A to up to Z. Here we use the word up to. That means we are limitizing. So we can say that this is the collection of 26. Now then we can say that this is a finite set. Okay. Now the set of number which are multiple of 5. So this is a multiple of 5. That means if you read any table of 5, then never end up to 10, up to 11, 12, 30, 40, and so on. So here we are using and so on word. So this will be infinite. So we should make this is infinite. Why? Because we cannot limit it. We can take 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 up. Then here it is the multiple of 5. So we can define these things into the other way. Here 5n, n is a natural number, and natural number infinite set. And if it is infinite set, then this is a multiple of 5n, so it's also infinite set. Clear? Here x such that x is a 5n. Now the set of animals living on the earth. Living on the earth, nobody can calculate. It is a quite big number, but I think there are more animals which are available on the earth. There is no other planet. Now, so this is the fix. This is the fix. If this is the fix, then we can define a finite set. Now the set of circle passing through the origin. There are many circles we can make. First, this is the circle. Then we can make another circle. All have origin 0. We can make another circle, also origin 0. So we can make infinite, I think. Clear? So this comes under infinite. Clear? This is the whole solution of the third question. Now move on next question. Now fourth question. In the following, state whether a equal to b or not. So here first part, a equal to abcd and b equal to dcba. Here in a there are 4 elements, in b there are 4 elements. Okay, number of elements are the same. Now here number like that a b c d, here also availability for a b c d. So we can say that this is a equal to b. Okay, we can say that a equal to b. Here a equal to b. Okay, now here in second part, a 4, 8, 12, 16. Here 4, 8, 12. So this is not, because 12 is not the element of b. So this is not, a is not equal to b. Now here in third part, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 5. X is a positive integer and x less than even integer, x less than equal to 10. So both are the same things, because if you try up to 10, then fixed here 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, because we will take only even integers. So a equal to b. Now x is a multiple of 10. Here 15 is also available. so it is not multiple of 10. So we can say A is not equal to B. Clear? Now move on next part of the question. Next question. Now, fifth question. Are the following pair of sets equal? Give regions. Okay. Here A equal to 2, 3 and B x such that solution of. Here it is a quadratic equation, so there will be two solutions only, two roots, two zeros only. If these two zeros satisfied this equation, then this will be equal set, otherwise it will not be equal set. Okay, then first we should put f2, then what we will get? 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6, 4, 5 to the 10 and 6, 20. So which is not equal to 0. So this is not the solution of. If it is not the solution, that means there is a difference in solution. If there is a difference in solution, so A not equal to B. A not equal to B. Clear? Now come at next part. A equal to x such that x is later in the word follow. Okay, then we can write these things in this way. Here F, O, L and W. We should not repeat in the set. And Y is later here. We can also write W, O, L, F. So these are interchange, but they all entries, all elements and number of elements are the same. So we can say that this is the A equal to V. This A equal to V. Clear? Now move on next question. Now, from the sets given below, select equal sets 2, 4, 8, 12. A, here there is similarity. 2 is not element, 2 is element, but 8 is not element here. 12 is not element here. So we can say that this B and D are equal because 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements and format of elements are the same. Okay, now here 2, 4, 8, 12. Here 4, 8, 12, but 14 is not available in A and 2 is not available in C. So this is not equal. But here we will tell equal. B equal to D. Now come at here E. Minus 1 is not element, so it is not equal. Minus 1 is element here, 1 is element here. So these are equal. Now 0 is element, so 0 is not element here. So if E not equal, 0 is not element G. So if G not equal, but 0 is element in H. Check another element. Here A is not available in, so it is not. Only E and G are equal. Only E and G are equal. Okay. This is the whole solution of exercise 1.2. We should move on next exercise. So thank you guys.